Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in this video I'm going to show you how I installed this U-part wig. In this video, I'm working with Julia Hair Company, so I'm just showing you guys what I received. So I got 2 wig caps, 2 melt bands, eyelashes, a makeup brush, and of course the wig itself. This was a body wave U-part wig in 24 inches. So I'm just showing you guys how it's looking. So on the inside we have 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the back. We also have the adjustable band, and then of course the adjustable band that comes inside the wig as well. So I'm just showing you guys the clips around the U part, and this is what we use to stick the U part on your hair. So yeah guys, this is how it's looking. I'm just showing you the body wave texture, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on to my cousin's hair. So this is how her hair was looking. I'm going in with my Chi spray. I'm just spraying it all over her hair and then using my blow dryer to dry it. And that was the Iron Guard spray. So once her hair is blow dried, I'm going to go ahead and measure the part for the U part. That way I can make sure I'm leaving out enough hair in her leave out. So I'm just parting the leave out in a U part shape. And I measured it to make sure, of course, there is enough hair left out and not too much or too little. So once I've parted her leave out, I'm just gonna put that away, and I'm going to be working with the rest of her hair. We are gonna braid it down before we put the wig on. So that's what you'll see me doing now.
Yeah, you know that I hate being alone, yeah. I take it one man, you know my 생각하는데 난 원래 질투하는데 you looking so fly again. 난 친구 사이 남아서 we better be better friends, oh no. We better be better friends. Oh, 이러면 되는데 oh, 겁이 많아도 I'm taking all my chances, babe. I've been wondering 시간 되는지 5시간 차이 나도 you're my queen. I've been going on through my phone, yeah. 문장 많은지 알고 싶어서, yeah. You've been calling, hitting on my line, babe. 이제 니들어 하기 싫어져. You always hit me on my line, baby. I was thinking about you all day lately. You got me feeling so damn wavy. Take a couple pulls of you daily. You're never all alone, alone. You're never all alone, alone, alone. You're never 어디서 원하는지 하고 싶으면 좀 말해. Wanna know, yeah, I'm not alone, yeah. 후회되지 않게 tell me 지금 좋아하는지. I could pull up anytime 난 기다리고 있지. You remind me of a time 그때 좋았었지. 우리 연애 like a Rolex piece 여자애는 notice Fendi Prada. You know this filthy writing on this note. 지금 face 맞게 바란 내 말 들어봐, yeah. 예전처럼 밤새 말도 못해 잠들어, yeah. You remember all those late nights 기억하잖아. 마지막일지도 몰라, baby, it's gonna be alright. I've been going on through my phone, yeah. 문자 많은지 알고 싶어서, yeah. You've been calling, hitting on my line, babe. 이제 니들어 하기 싫어져. You always hit me on my line, baby. I was thinking about you all day lately. You got me feeling so damn wavy. Take a couple pulls of you.
So now I'm just going to cut off these two pieces that are holding the U part together, because the hair is going to go through this. And this is how it's looking. I'm also going to cut off that back portion of the lace because we do not need it on the wig. And then I'm using the comb and I'm putting it in the middle of the back of her head and then bringing the wig up. So you want to use the clips that were going around the U part to stick into the top of her braids. And that's what's going to hold the wig onto her head. You can also use the combs at the sides and put it in as well. But I didn't use the combs. I only used the clips. And once that's done, the wig is on her head. And I'm just going in with my Sebastian spray. And I'm spraying it all over her hair. And because this was a body wave unit, I like to go in with my waver and just wave some of the hair so that it looks really fresh and nice. So before I go ahead and wave that last row, I'm gonna go and do her leave out first. That way I can have a better blend. So I'm going to be using my flat iron and I'm just flat ironing her leave out. It was really hot, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna flat iron the leave out first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wave it with the remainder of the weave that's left. So once I finish waving her hair, I'm just gonna comb my hands through it, and this is basically how it's looking. I find that the waver gives the best blend when it comes to body wave hair, but I went in with a bit of edge control and I'm just slicking down her edges right now. And then I sprayed my Shine spray. This was a hair polish, and my oil sheen. This is how the hair is looking, guys. This is a much easier way to get that sew-in look without having to sit down for 3 hours. But I just want to shout out Julia Hair for sending over this U-part wig. Like, look at it, guys. Can you tell that it's a wig? So if you're interested in this unit, you can go ahead and check out the link in my description box below. You can also check out their website because they have a lot more hair, a lot more wigs. So yeah, all the details will be down in my description box. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys prefer the wigs or just the natural sew-in. But give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching.